In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable debug mode in Prestashop to help identify and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter while managing your online store. Debug mode is a powerful tool that lets you see errors and warnings that might not be evident by default. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you're on the home page of your Prestashop administration panel. This is your starting point for accessing all the configurations and settings you'll need. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower corner of the page where you'll find the Settings option. Give it a click and you'll unlock various configuration options that can be tweaked to improve and change how your store functions. From the Settings menu, locate and click on the Advanced Parameters section. This is where more in-depth configuration options reside, allowing you to refine and optimize how your store operates. Keep in mind, changes here could significantly impact the performance, so it's crucial to proceed with caution and a clear understanding of each option. Once within the advanced parameters, focus on selecting the Performance tab. This area provides tools to manage how efficiently your store runs. You'll find everything from cache settings to performance monitoring options designed to enhance the speed and reliability of your store. Here, you're only a few steps away from activating debug mode, which can give you deeper insights into your store's inner workings. Now, within the Performance section, look for the Debug Mode option. This is where you can toggle the setting to reveal more detailed information when issues occur within your store. Enabling debug mode will cause error messages to display directly on page, rather than hiding them away, which is immensely helpful when diagnosing problems. Finally, you'll need to toggle the switch to Yes to enable the debug mode. This simple act allows your platform to showcase detailed error logs and warnings, invaluable when identifying and resolving issues that could be affecting your customer experience or back-end processes. After making these changes, don't forget to click on the Save button. This final step ensures all changes are stored and the debug mode is successfully activated. It might seem like a minor detail, but saving your changes locks in everything you've configured so far, allowing your new settings to take effect. And there you have it. With debug mode activated, you can now more readily identify, understand, and rectify any errors that occur, ensuring your Prestashop store can operate smoothly and effectively. This is a critical tool in maintaining not only the performance, but the reliability of your online business. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has empowered you to tackle technical issues with ease.